How you guys doing? Today I have a 2019 Audi Q7. Throwing bunch of codes and the battery light on in yellow color on the dash. The car is started to fine, but light is blinking and it gave me spree codes. And with low voltage I tested the volt and it gave me 11 volt. So I checked the alternator, it gave me 11 volt. So I thought it's the alternator, but when I checked it, look what I found. The harmonic balancer is loose, or crankshaft pulley. So this is the problem right here. I'm going to replace that and should be good to go. Here is the crankshaft pulley or the harmonic balancer. Just get it off. You can see this two pieces now. And there is I just got it off. There is 8 bolts. I use this socket that's 12 point I think E10 or DRV10. That's 12 point. This is the new board right here. You can tell the difference. And here is the part number, the 06E10525F. And I released the belt with a 16 size 16 ratchet, and there is one tensioner right here. I take this bolt off, which is I think 30 star socket. Let's see. Yeah, T30 star. And then you're gonna put the ratchet right here to release the belts. You go clockwise for both of them. So there is one tensioner right there, or idler pulley, and the second one is right here on top of the alternator. It's easy to get it off from the bottom. Now I'm gonna put a new one. By the way, I marked the notch if you want to. This notch right here, you can mark it if you want to put it back in the same position or the same spot. See this notch right here, and make a mark on the body of the engine, whatever you want to mark it. And see some leak right here. I'm gonna check it out, and that's it. I'm going to put it on, and I'll tell you the result later. Thanks for watching. Hold up.